Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's video newsletter, I thought I would start off by asking you where, if you are not already subscribed to the channel, or if you did not catch last week's video newsletter, to sign up and to enable the alerts for these, because I really do try to bring you guys some of the best ideas that I have, and I always think it's so fascinating to do that in a public venue, right? Because you get all kinds of interesting comments, all kinds of opinions and what have you. But if you go back and you look at this video that was shared, right at a week ago, you'll find the SPY sitting here at 676, and at the point of view that I offered for you, you can go through the video and find the analysis, but that the point of view that we were looking at was the opportunity for a bullish butterfly. Now, granted, I did give you out into July, which it does not look like the market is going to need nearly that much time. But what was the biggest takeaway from the technical view of the video? That when you clear the 618 retracement, and this is why I think it's fascinating, even in the comments for that video, someone saying that, oh, the technical view of charting is of no help. Look at this. Look at where you clear the 618 retracement so cleanly, right? You gap up above it, then you trade down into it, you test it right to the penny, and that is a level that holds. That is a astute observation in continued strength, right? Because when you clear this proportion, it then opens up the targets into the old swing high, the 1272, and then the extensions that will follow. So again, that idea has been working really well, and if you're taking the time to view these videos, I want to make sure that they're worth your time, that you can make some money with them, and I thought that was a pretty good example. So anyway, I appreciate your time with that, and then trying to show you a couple of fresh places. This is one that came up in the chat room today, and a spot where the best I can do, I think, in this particular video newsletter is to help and set up some things of the future, because I'm not going to come in here and tell you to go short. I don't really have a lot of reasons to be doing that, but then of course there are so many names that are not on discount. Right here we're looking at ANET. We're from those previous swing lows. You've rallied 34%. At some point this thing may need to come in a little bit, but what I wanted to show you is the way that you set this up with another tool that I really like here through this CML trade machine. So what I do is I just throw in the symbol that I'm looking at, and then I want to sort this by strategy. And what I want to look for are all of the moments in time that have a certain date until earnings. So you see how this is a 14-day pre-earnings momentum long call, and historically, when this setup has triggered, it's got a really nice return. Well, that's the way of looking at this and saying, I think this is a very bullish chart with a lot of potential, and when we see earnings that are due out here on May the 5th, this back test, and that's all it is, right, is referencing the past to show us how it has performed previously under previous technical conditions. But if that were to show up again, we've got a good opportunity to do that. So if those earnings are on the 5th, the 2-week mark of where this setup would trigger would be on the 21st. So I don't really know what to tell you to do with it on Thursday and Friday, but if you get into here on the 21st, that'll be Tuesday of next week, and you've come back in maybe to like the 10-day exponential moving average, something like that, that is where you have an opportunity to try and buy it into earnings. So that is one more that we've got fresh that we'll be keeping an eye on. And then one for those of you that mainly are doing investing, I would say, or longer term trading. I want to put DRS out here for you to watch. Now, all earnings, and the idea with this one would imply a little bit more that you might have to hold through earnings to see this pattern come into completion. But it came into my view because you've got this squeeze, right? It's been consolidating for some time. And then what I wanted to show you from this long-term perspective is the potential of an inverted head and shoulders. So if we treat this as the left, as this, the inverted head, and then all of this being the right shoulder, I think that's a pattern that could unfold. Now, it depends on exactly where you would like to mark it off from, but when I tell you longer term, I want you to come in with a view that highlights this left shoulder. We'll just kind of accent it here with a rectangle, then we'll duplicate that drawing to get a feel for this from a moment in time. And that's where I'll say, it kind of depends. Do we start it from here, or does it need a little more time to consolidate? What if we just kind of put it right in the middle? all of this zone, if you were to back and fill into about 41 or so, that's where I would look for it to build out this right shoulder, and provided that it can do okay through earnings, then we can see if the bigger picture piece of this plays out. If we can take 49 against this swing low and then start running it into extensions around 54 and 60. So that's DRS, ANET, SPY, each of them with spread setups, and I hope that brings some edge to your trading. Y'all have a great night, and I'll see you in the room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.